Updating news items on the Broadbiz website using the Broadbiz dashboard. So here we've got a demo website, dummy website that we've set up, World Builders, and there are 3 items on there that we can see. We're just going to flick to the Broadbiz dashboard. We'll start on the dashboard just so we can see that. News is available, so we click on news, and then what we've got is the 3 items that we just saw that are available or that are showing on the site at the moment. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a new one. So if we add a new one here, we can just run through how we do this and see it on the site very quickly. Click on the add button here, and we can pick a date. So let's pick today's date, and we're going to put a title in, which is a new news item. There we go. We've done it before, as you can see. We're going to upload an image. Just read through this before you do anything. Just make sure that you're covered by any copyright issues. Make sure you're only uploading stuff that belongs to you. Click on the upload. We've got a bunch of images here. I'm going to pick this one, for example. So I click that and I click open, and we've got the image in the frame here. So we can zoom in, we can zoom out, we can pan around. Let's say, for example, we just want the glasses and the notepad there. We can select that area and click crop and upload. That image is then crunched to the right size and put onto the server. Now what we've got is the content, so we can put some content in here. So I've got some stuff on my clipboard. We'll paste this in, so Control V, and details of all of this and how this works can be found in a different video. So we'll leave that as it is for now. We'll also come down to this metadata. Once again, it's covered in another video, so I'll leave that for now. But what we will do is we'll go publish to website. Click on that, and we come back to our news page. We can see this, a new news item has been set up. If we then go back to the website, there's the page as we saw before. We'll just click refresh to see it, and there is a new news item with today's date and the read more button. So that's been set up. It's as simple as that. A new page has been set up on your site. We can click that icon there, that image there, or the button at the bottom to see that image, or that news item set up. So that's all good. Right, let's say, for example, we'll go back to the dashboard now. Let's say we needed to edit that. We click the edit button here. Very simple. Same form, pretty much the same form, comes up with your stuff set in. So we'll put in here updated. We can change the image. So let's say we pick a different image. We'll go with this one with the post-it notes. And we'll upload that. And we'll scroll down to here, and let's say we just wanted to take some of that up. So what we can now do is scroll down. We can add now additional images. So you'll see we can add more than one image to a news item. So if I click on that there, and I'll pick this chap here. And again, we've got the same widget that comes up, so we can scroll in, scroll out, whatever we want to do. I'll just go with that. Crop and upload. That will then come back to the page as soon as it's crunched that. Sometimes this does happen. It's down to processing speed, either on your desktop or sometimes on the server. So we'll click retry, and there's that image there. You can drag these around. If you had more, you could drag around using these. But now we'll publish to website. So there we got a new news item updated. We'll go back to this. We'll just refresh that. Oops. Sorry, back to the news page, refresh that page, a new news item updated, click on that, and there we've got the post-it note image we chose, the updated headline, the changed content, and the additional image that comes after that. Final piece here, we're just going to show how we can delete something. So we'll go to edit to delete it, and we'll scroll down to the bottom, and we've got delete from website. Are you sure you want to delete this item? This cannot be undone. So we'll click delete this item, yes. And when we come back to the page, our new news item has disappeared. Come back to here, we'll go back to the news page, and that item is gone. So that's covered creating a news item, updating a news item, and deleting a news item.